Model X has the most advanced doors of any car, truck, or SUV on the planet. They make entering and exiting Model X both elegant and convenient. Your doors are automatic and intelligent, but you're still responsible for ensuring that their paths are clear before opening or closing them, just like with any other doors. This includes making sure there isn't anything in the way of a closing door, like hands or feet. Let's walk through how your Model X doors work so you can get the most out of them. All of your doors can be operated from the touchscreen by tapping Controls and then Quick Controls. These same selections appear in the Doors window that presents whenever you enter Model X or put it in park. Both front doors can be opened or closed by tapping here, or by using the exterior or interior handles. You can also close either door by simply pulling or pushing it shut. It will soft close using its automatic latch. As a reminder, you can also close your driver door by pressing the brake pedal. Add more convenience by enabling automatic doors from the touchscreen. Tap Controls, Vehicle, and then toggle the setting. With automatic doors enabled, the driver door will swing open for you when you approach it with the key fob, as long as no obstacles are detected. This, combined with the brake pedal trick, allows you to get inside Model X even with both hands full. The automatic doors setting also allows you to press your key fob to open the front doors. With the setting enabled, when you double press on the roof of your key, this opens your driver door in addition to unlocking Model X. A subsequent double press opens the front passenger door. Your Falcon Wing doors can be controlled in a variety of ways. Open or close each Falcon Wing from the touchscreen by double pressing the corresponding window on the side of your key fob, or using the door pillar control in the second row. You can also press the door handle to open and press here to close. Stop a Falcon Wing door while it's moving by pressing any of these controls once. Model X has ultrasonic sensors hidden in the doors as well as on the roof. These are used to detect obstacles such as garage ceilings and adjacent parked cars. Model X adjusts the paths that the Falcon Wings take when opening, according to its detected environment. It's best to stand to the side when opening a Falcon Wing so that you're not detected as an obstacle. If a door ever stops while its path is still clear, you can press and hold the touchscreen or door pillar control while monitoring the door to override the sensors. Close all 5 of your cabin's doors and lock Model X at once by triple pressing your key's roof. Or enable Close All with key fob, and these doors will close whenever you lock Model X with a single press on the key. You won't find a car with smarter doors, but it's always your responsibility to ensure their paths are clear, regardless of what settings you're using. Your rear seats are easy to access thanks to your Falcon Wing doors. Here's how to use them. If your Model X is equipped with the second row bench, pull here to recline the seat or fold it flat. If you have the 7-seat interior, push here to adjust the seat's forward position. Press this circle on the shoulder area for quick access to the 3rd row. If your Model X has monopost seats, you can move them from the touchscreen. Tap Controls, Seats, and then press and hold to adjust each seat forward or backward. Your front seats move forward as needed to accommodate the forward movement of the 2nd row. Enable easy entry, and you can move each seat as far as it will go with a single tap. Just make sure there's nobody seated in the 2nd row, including kids and boosters. When sitting in a monopost seat, use this control to adjust its position and pitch. With easy entry enabled, access the 3rd row or maximize cargo space with a single press here. With easy entry turned off, press and hold this control. If your Model X has a 3rd row, press the circle here and then push the seat back to fold each seat flat. To unfold, press here again, and then return the seat and the headrest to their positions. To learn even more about your seats, doors, and additional settings for them, check out the on-screen owner's manual.